no matter what kind of home you live in. It needs working smoke alarms. Every level of your home should have at least one working smoke alarm, inside and outside of sleeping areas, and even the basement too. Why? Because a fire at home can be deadly. Fire is fast. It spreads hot, poison smoke and flames through a home very quickly. It won't wake you up if you're sleeping. The smoke is poison and hot. It can kill you if you breathe it in. So you need to act fast. That's why smoke alarms are so important. Smoke alarms make a loud noise when there is smoke in the air. Smoke alarms can wake you up if you're sleeping and let you know there's danger. You should know how to get out of your home quickly during a fire. You should know at least 2 ways to get out, in case one way is blocked by heat or smoke. Once you're outside, call 911 or the fire department. And after you get outside, stay outside. Every home needs working smoke alarms.